दिल की बात सबके साथ में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। आप सब जानते हैं मेरा मिशन है कि इस वक्त लोगों को ऐसे लोगों से मिलाऊं कि जिनकी लाइफ से हमें इंस्पिरेशन भी मिले और एक ऐसा थॉट मिले कि शायद जो वो लोग आज अपनी लाइफ में कर रहे हैं उनसे हमें भी एक नया रास्ता मिले और एक नई सोच मिले। तो आज मैं आपको जिनसे मिलवा रही हूँ उनके लिए मैं पहले कुछ लाइनें कहना चाहूंगी। जो सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं जो सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिल को पार भी करते हैं। जो सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिल को पार भी करते हैं। एक बार चलने का हौसला तो करिए, मुसाफिरों का तो रास्ते भी इंतजार करते हैं। आज मैं आपको जिनसे मिला रही हूँ वो है वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट माधवी अडवाणी जी, एंड शी इज अ लग्जरी कंसल्टेंट टू इन द फील्ड ऑफ आर्ट्स, रियल एस्टेट्स, wellness, hospitality, and destination weddings in Italy, and fashion and jewelry designer. She is also one of our biggest influencers, and I'm so happy to have her on this board. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining me in this mission to enlighten people sitting at home. I welcome you wholeheartedly. First of all, ma'am, I
Thank
want
you.
to know. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me. It's my pleasure and honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I'm overwhelmed by you. You know, I'm so inspired by you. And सबसे पहले मैं लोगों को ना एक चीज बताना चाहती हूँ कि वो ये इतनी वर्सटाइल हैं और आज मैं इनसे जानना चाहती हूँ, इतनी वर्सटाइल होके, इतनी सारी फील्ड्स में अपने आप को एक्सेल करके, ये कहाँ से आपको एक स्पार्क मिला कि मैं जिस भी फील्ड में जाऊंगी आई विल गिव माय बेस्ट एंड आई कैन मैनेज सो मेनी थिंग्स ऑल टुगेदर. When did you realize this?
I think, see, as a child, when you're small, it is always there in you. Because when I was small, even that time, I was multitasking. If you will listen to my routine in college mein, morning mein, I used to, go to my college. After coming back from college, I used to go for my NCC classes, which I had to be at the airport for flying. I have a student's pilot license. So after that, I used to go to the airport, coming back. After that, having something at home, then go for my French language classes, come back, study for my university and college, studies. So I think it शुरू से ही था multitasking, and women I think naturally are very good at it. So वो बचपन से ही develop हो रहा था, and I think हम लोग सब excel कर सकते हैं किसी भी चीज में, जिसमें भी आप अच्छे से जाते हो, जिस फील्ड में उसमें परफेक्शन में आपको जाना है, उसी में आपको बहुत अच्छा करना है। अगर आपने सोच लिया है, आप उसकी तरफ वर्क करते हो एंड आप कर सकते हो। And my forte is luxury segment, so I enjoy luxury. This is my passion. I love it. I don't feel a single day I'm working, because this is something I completely feel I'm made for it.
And
And जो
this
चीज
is
आपको
very
बहुत
true. This reflects in all your work that you are too passionate about these things. You are actually living with them. So that is wonderful thing. That is why only you can give best to anything you are doing. I would also like to tell you all that she is India chairperson for social networking for the organization of All Ladies League. मैम मैं आपसे ये भी जानना चाहती हूँ कि एक ऐसा सीक्रेट मंत्र जो आप सबको दे सको, इररिस्पेक्टिव मैन वुमेन एनीबॉडी, कि आप अपनी मॉर्निंग कैसे स्टार्ट करते हो, दैट यू आर एंगेज्ड इन सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड स्टिल यू लुक ऑल द टाइम स्माइलिंग एंड फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. व्हाट इज योर मॉर्निंग मंत्र टू स्टार्ट योर डे?
So I think my next day plan makes me very, very energetic and happy, because I want to do something concrete and creative in the day. I plan it like that. That's next day I have, like today I was being interviewed by you. Then also I had a meeting with the Women Innovator. Then we have a webinar with Fiki Flow with Sadhguru today. So this was all planned a day before, which gives me a lot of energy that this is the way my day is planned for the next day. Every day I want to plan and take out time, some time at least, to what I'm already associated with, and to keep it continue and going. Every day we have to get into something positive, something concrete and productive. And day by day, where it lands up and where it reaches you, it's just amazing to see that. You keep doing your best and God does the rest.
That is wonderful, and I think the mantra could be pre-planning. When you have pre-planning of all your daily work which you have to do, it gives you energy also, and it saves your times also. That is why I think so. The mantra you can take is pre-plan your work and do it all with all happiness and energy. I would also like to share that she has been covered by several magazines and in many coffee table books, and she has also got Inspiring Women Achiever Award. And I mean, I can't tell you कितने awards इन्हें मिले हुए हैं. There is a list of abundance in it. Now the other question which I would just like to ask you is कि आज लॉकडाउन की सिचुएशन में सभी लोग घर से काम तो कर रहे हैं, नो डाउट, बट अपने डे को बेस्ट यूटिलाइज करने के लिए आपने कोई सिस्टम और स्ट्रेटेजी बनाया है ताकि ये फर्क ना लगे कि वेदर यू आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम और यू आर स्पेशली प्रेजेंट एट योर ऑफिस प्लेस. Do you have some plannings like going on?
Yeah, so see, I'm trying to be professionally active as well as even give back to society in my little way possible that I can. So if you talk about giving back, I have started on Facebook every day one positive message by people distinguished in their own fields from different walks of life. So every evening I post about somebody who has something positive, and people are coming up with amazing things. You know, somebody's got back to music, somebody to dancing, somebody to writing poetry, and people are exploring their hidden talents, I should say, at this time, because this is the best time. They have plenty of time to do it, and that positive message around this time keeps us all very, very inspired. Another thing, a friend of ours who's also in the Women Innovator has started making some masks for the people around this time, which is the call of the hour. So I'm trying to help her and the organization by tying up with some fashion designers as well as production houses, as well if somebody wants to order in bulk to them. Professionally, if you ask me, I have already got on board with Women Innovator. We are coming up with a coffee table book, and that's going to be published by Penguin, which is the best publishing company in the country. And
Yeah.
we are going to be featuring 60 powerful, distinguished women and also men who support women in that coffee table book. Another thing, I have tied up with my international friends in Norway. So we are coming up with businesses for women from home internationally. So looking at the times, we don't know when the lockdown will open and how the things are going to be. So these are the things which are going to be the call of the hour. So we are trying to work on these things. And also, I'm focusing on my writing skills. Every day I write something on Facebook to keep the audience,
Positive, engaged, and
yes.
lively. But that's
Yes.
really great. I think everybody can see that irrespective that we all are sitting at our home, she is managing everything. That is why I told you she's an all-rounder and she's an inspiration for me. Another thing I would just like to know is, you are engaged in so many things. What sort of social services you are actually, emphasizing, which can help the society and add value, apart from the professional things which you are engaged in?
So we as a family have an NGO, and we are contributing our bit time to time to the NGO. And personally, as I said, I will try and reach out to anybody who needs any kind of support from my side. I'm willing to give that. And I think even it could not, it may not be a financial contribution, but reaching out to people with the positive message and keeping them
Absolutely true.
positive and motivated is also a small contribution, I feel.
Definitely. I would also like you to tell, like, आपको अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की है, अभी काफी टाइम हो गया होगा. यंगस्टर्स के लिए आप एक मैसेज कोई ऐसा कन्वे करना चाहें, क्योंकि today we have got people, either they are very, very, energetic and ambitious, or they are people who think we cannot do anything. So just to summarize something in between, ki what sort of mindset we should have as youngsters so that we can scale out our future in a better way. How would you tell it about through your experience?
Yeah, so I think first and foremost thing which I always talk about in my interviews is that nobody should feel that they're not worth something, and nothing is impossible in this world. I am possible. They need to be just focused and interested and try and find out things that they're interested in, focus on those things and skills, and kind of, groom themselves in that direction.
That's really wonderful. I think everybody can take this piece as a lesson that we should be focused, and we should always see that we can do things whatever we want. It is just we have to realize our worth ourselves. That's it. Another thing, just last I would just like to know is, in this stage of lockdown, people are very deviating from in so many things, like लर्निंग स्किल्स भी हैं, प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स भी हैं, फैमिली, तो फैमिली और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को बैलेंस करने के लिए एनी टिप यू वुड लाइक टू ऐड?
So see, it is all about time management. So I think nothing is difficult to manage if you plan your day properly, and you have to switch off and switch on. When you are with family, you're completely with them. Those few hours are completely devoted and committed to the family. You have a lot of time in the whole day. There are 24 hours.
True.
So you can always, manage your time accordingly and do justice to the home, because here, if I'm doing professionally all this, what you're seeing, there is so much which you're not able to see, which I'm doing behind the scenes.
Scenes.
So I'm also taking interest in cooking. I'm also spending time with my husband and my family, because this is the time you have enough time to be with the family as well. So it's all about time management, how beautifully you manage your time. And I will say that there are 24 hours in a day, and that's a lot for anybody to invest time into different activities. There are all excuses that I don't get time for this, I don't get time for that. You have to come out of your comfort zone.
True.
And manage time.
So even if you are at home, you have to schedule everything so that ये ना हो कि लोग जैसे आज कह रहे हैं, या तो एक तरह के लोग हैं जो कहते हैं कि सारा दिन बिल्कुल इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है किचन में और घर के कामों में, वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. या कुछ लोग हैं जो वेबिनार्स में इतने इन्वॉल्व हैं कि उनके पास घर रह के भी फैमिली के लिए टाइम नहीं है. सो इफ दे मैनेज एवरीथिंग, सो दे कैन क्लब एंड एंजॉय बोथ थिंग्स टुगेदर. Thank you so much.
And also, there are some certain times when maybe people are spending more time into unproductive things.
Absolutely.
So you need to pick and choose, that you're not investing and focusing and wasting your much time on TV or leisure all the time. So you can definitely manage, I feel. Everybody can manage.
And I think this is the best time to take lessons from each other and see where we are lacking and we can do. For example, if I say the key which I can take from you is time management. That is switch on and switch off. आपको कब किस टाइम ज्यादा जरूरत है, आप उस चीज को देखो, और आर्स अपनी डेली रूटीन को एक प्रोडक्टिव उसमें सिस्टम में ही रखो कि किसी भी तरफ आप हो, आप यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो टाइम को प्रॉपर्ली.
Also your management skills come here, whether you're managing an office or whether you're managing a home. It shows in both the areas. If you're good in management, you will manage your home also nicely, and you'll manage your office well as well.
That's wonderful.
You
are from Jaipur. I know you are from Pink City, Jaipur. Jaipur से Delhi तक की journey. Just tell us something about your journey, your childhood, and there is a huge difference in lifestyle of Delhi and Jaipur. So इधर से भी हमारे लोगों को ना एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिल सकता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं कि जो थोड़ी छोटी सिटीज हैं वहां से आके बड़ी जगह पे सेटल होना और करियर बनाना इज डिफिकल्ट. एंड आई थिंक यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन हु कैन रिलेट कि there is no bar distance and these cities do not make any difference. You should have the courage to do anything. So just share some experience regarding that.
Sure. So I belong to Jaipur. I was born and brought up there. And I think thanks to my parents that they gave me very good education. And even in those times, what I was doing, I didn't see many people doing that. Like, as I said, I have a student's pilot license. I'm a mountaineer. I'm a swimmer. I'm a horse rider. I have flown a glider. And I don't know, so many more things. So my parents were very, very supportive and progressive, and they never treated or discriminated between a girl and a boy. My brothers were in St. Stephen's College, Delhi. My sister was in LSR. So among the 4 siblings, I was only one who was in Jaipur. But being in Jaipur with parents, I did so many other things which they could not have probably done it here. And Delhi, I used to keep coming because they were here in the hostel and boarding. So, I mean, I never felt the difference between a city like Delhi and Jaipur much, actually, honestly.
Okay.
And I had international friends even then. So, I mean, it's all about like how, what is your, what is your upbringing? What are your surroundings? So I was fortunate to be among the best, people even then, inspiring, motivating, and educated. So I think
So
that's why it
yeah,
just
so I think
helps.
anybody can just take a lesson कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आप लोग भाई you are not able to do anything just because of you are from a small place or town, तो आप अपना mindset उन तरह के लोगों में रह के you can change. As you said, the environment played a very important role. So you can change your surroundings and environment to like-minded people who can help you to elevate and grow in life. So this is one of
And I
the
always
very
had
nice
very
thing.
good friends, you
Yeah.
know, very good friends, all very focused, and the company. I think it's as the company, so the color. So I've always
या
had very good friends.
जैसी जैसी संगत वैसी रंगत, तो अपना
Yeah.
सर्कल बदल के लोग अपनी लाइफ को थोड़ा चेंज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अनदर थिंग वी कैन just take out of it. And thank you so much, Madhvi ji, for taking out time. I'm really really very grateful to you for this. And have a good day, and keep inspiring so many people. And I would share your phone number and everything, and let's see how many people get connected with you, inspired by you. And I can definitely tell whosoever meets her personally will be actually be so thrilled, because she is a very positive lady and a very inspiring woman. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ruchi. Pleasure and honor, and wish you also all the best. And it was my honor to be here on the show with you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.